pardon the wind, but this is a micro Uzi semi-auto rifle. It's got about this much barrel. The rest of it is tubing, permanently attached, chambered, 20 round mag plus one. It's got a a Doctor optic and the factory folding stock, and we're shooting not very far. Comparing it to the mp5k PDW with a similar length barrel. This one obviously has 30 round mag. Well, it certainly helps when the rotating drum is locked in place where it's supposed to go. But that's just a quick and dirty comparison of two very similar 9mm that are very handy, very compact, and if they're built right, very reliable.